Welcome to World 360. Today we explore the iconic landmarks of London. London spreads across the horizon as the capital of the United Kingdom. The Sky Garden offers panoramic views from the heart of the city. The Tower of London stands beside the Thames as a historic fortress. Tower Bridge connects both sides of the river with its iconic design. The Shard rises above London as the tallest building in the country. The London Eye rotates slowly along the River Thames. Big Ben and the Palace of Westminster mark the center of British government. The Royal Albert Hall is a world-famous performance venue. Kensington Palace appears surrounded by royal gardens. Kensington Gardens and Hyde Park form a vast green space in the city. Buckingham Palace serves as the official royal residence. Westminster Abbey stands as a historic church of coronations. The Churchill War Rooms lie hidden beneath the streets. St. James's Park creates a green link between royal landmarks. Trafalgar Square and the National Gallery sit at London Centre. Human history. Borough Market is one of London's oldest food markets. Tate Modern stands along the Thames in a former power station. Covent Garden is known for culture, shops, and street life. St. Paul's Cathedral rises with its iconic dome. St. Dunstan in the east is a quiet garden among historic ruins. The O2 marks London's modern entertainment district.